Thank you, Chase. New research tonight suggests Nebraska lawmakers should be spending less time reforming the good time law when it comes to the overhaul of the Department of Corrections.
Yeah, Brian Mastry has an in-depth copy of the report from the University of Nebraska, Omaha. He continues our coverage live with the findings.
John Mallory, we're live downtown, and we know how much fire the Department of Corrections in the state of Nebraska has been under for the last several months. Well, researchers examined prison records for more than 3,000 inmates dating back to 2009. They wanted to see if good time, if it was taken away as punishment, whether that made them behave better. It didn't. Right or wrong, Nico Jenkins has become the poster case for what has been wrong with the Nebraska Department of Corrections. For example, he went into prison without any face tattoos, yet now his face is covered in them. He had good time taken away because of it. Jenkins murdered 4 people days after his release. Some experts believe that if wardens take away good time and add days or weeks or months to a sentence for misbehavior, the inmates will start to behave better.
Taking it away doesn't really have any effect on inmates' misbehavior in prison afterwards.
The findings come from the Nebraska Center for Justice Research at the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Even though 30 states have a form of good time, there isn't much data available on whether it works to curb misbehavior behind bars.
The idea would be to hopefully get that offender to think before they do the action again. And we didn't find that to be the case, either in prison or after these inmates were released.
In fact, Professor Steiner tells me those who had good time taken away were more likely to end up in prison again. Bottom line, say the researchers, good time reform should not be at the top of the list for reform in corrections.
I don't think it's something that you can just simply tweak a little bit and all of a sudden you're going to get improved behavioral outcomes.
Now, John Mallory, because electronic records only go so far back, researchers were not able to decipher this point. Was the threat of losing good time, did an inmate just behave well from the start and just never got into trouble? They weren't able to look into that. Now, supporters all along have said the good time law is a mechanism for keeping the peace. Researchers have sent a copy of this report looking into the good time law to every state senator to help them make better decisions when it comes time to reforming the Department of Corrections. With photographer Roger Hamer, I'm Brian Mastry, WWT6 News.
Thanks, Brian. We are tracking new developments in Nebraska's prison systems.
Today, Governor Pete Ricketts named the finalists to turn the system around. They are Brian Brandenburg, who served in the Department of Corrections in Alaska, Scott Frakes as Deputy Director for the Washington State Department of Corrections.
And the third finalist is Daniel Ronay, an executive with correctional health care companies from Tallahassee, Florida.